Looking for a way to get more eyes on your business? Look no further than your Google Business Profile. Your Google Business Profile is a valuable free platform for connecting with local customers directly on Google Search and Google Maps, and it has a built-in posting feature that serves as your own personal feed to connect with your customers. Your posts are like mini advertisements or bulletins, but figuring out where to go and what to actually post can be a little tricky. I'm Torie Mathis, Digital Marketing CEO, Marketing Coach at the Smart Arsenal, and today we are talking about posting to your Google Business Profile. In this video, you'll get detailed instructions on how to post updates to your profile, what to post, and tips to ensure that your posts are successful and drive results for your business, and what to do just in case you run into any problems. But first, is it even worth it to post to your Google Business Profile? Well, the answer is actually yes. Here is why posting matters. First, posts can include attention-grabbing text, photos, and videos, perfect for brand storytelling. Plus, you can share timely, regular updates on what's new and upcoming to draw more customers and keep them informed. You can also get your business noticed. Profile posts are valuable because they appear on your company's Google page where users are already looking. Your business can attract more eyeballs for longer with well-crafted, engaging post content. So let's go over how to post on your Google Business Profile. Go to business.google.com and choose the business that you want to manage. When you're there, select Add Update. Choose the type of post you want to create. Google offers various post types, including updates, offers, and events. Select the type that best suits the content you wish to share. You can add photos and videos. Upload high-quality images or videos that are relevant to your post. Visual content grabs attention and can lead to higher engagement. Craft a clear and concise description. For updates, keep it informative. For offers or events, ensure all relevant details like dates and special terms are included. And don't forget to add a call to action. Include a call to action such as visit our website, call now, or get offer. This directs customers on what you want them to do next. Then you can preview your post to see how it appears to viewers. Make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, click Publish to share your post with the world. After you publish your post, Google may review it to ensure that it meets their post content policy. Now, if it shows live, the post shows up on Google Search and Maps for customers to find. If it shows pending, the post doesn't show up on Google Search or Maps. It's either in the upload stage, the processing stage, or the profile may be unverified. If it shows not approved, the post does not show up on Google Search or Maps for customers to find. The question mark next to the status displays which content policy the post violates. Let's talk about what to post on your Google Business Profile. Let's go over some content ideas. The first one, special offers and promotions. You can share discounts, promo codes, and special sales. For instance, get 20% off the services this weekend. You can post business updates. You can inform your customers about new business hours or changes in service, like we're now open on Sundays. You can post about events. You can post about upcoming events your business is hosting or participating in. For example, join us for live music this Saturday at 7. You can also post about new products or services. Announce the launch of a new product or service. For example, we just added organic skincare products to our shop. You can also give behind-the-scenes content. You can share photos or stories that give customers a glimpse of your business behind the scenes, such as your team at work or how you prepare products. You can also post frequently asked questions. You can use your Google My Business platform to address questions people might have during their customer journey. You can provide them with helpful answers that potentially will eliminate any barriers to working with you. You can use a Canva FAQ template like this one and then post as an image. You can post reviews and customer stories. While directly posting Google reviews as a Google Business post isn't possible, you can creatively capture their essence and communicate user experiences with your audience. This can be as simple as taking a screenshot of a review that depicts your ideal customer experience and commenting a genuine thank you in the description. Let's talk about some tips for posting so that your posts work to get you more sales. You want to post regularly. Keep your content fresh and engaging by posting regularly. This not only keeps your audience informed, but it helps improve your visibility on Google. I would suggest at least once a week to keep your content fresh. You can use keywords strategically. Incorporate relevant keywords into your posts to improve SEO and to help people find your business when searching for related topics. Think of the terms that potential customers would use when searching for your services. You can also track your results. Use Google's built-in insights to track how your profile is performing. As you can see, regular engaging posts can transform your business profile into a dynamic tool that supports your business growth and gets more eyes on your business. As always, if you have any issues, you have a few options. First, you can drop a comment right here and I will do my best to help you out. Next, you can hop over to the Google Help community where other Google pros can offer you up some advice. Or if you prefer, you can contact Google support or set up a Google appointment with a Google advisor. I will put those links in the description down below for you. Now that you're a Google posting pro, how about we get you more reviews on Google and all across the web? I have a free review boosting bootcamp happening right now. You can join for free and get the step-by-step easy peasy instructions on how to get your business set up for reviews, how to get more reviews, and even how to deal with those pesky negative reviews. You will also get a ton of done-for-you templates and scripts, tools to automate your review process, and I am giving you a professionally designed review landing page that will get you more reviews today. You can join for free at toriemathis.com, get more reviews. I will leave the link below, and I can't wait to see you there.